Hey, what's up, guys? So today I'm just going to show you how to check the oil in your engine to make sure you're at the right levels so you don't damage your engine at all. So pretty simple. Some cars, depending on the type of car, they got the engine dipstick kind of in different places. So, but all we're going to do, make sure you're on a flat level ground. And yeah, so all you want to do is just pull it out. Then you're going to want to wipe it. Wipe the oil that is off on the dipstick so it's nice and clean. Then you're just going to want to stick it back in. All the way in, make sure it's all the way in, not half in. Make sure it's all the way in. Pull it out again. And then we're going to check the level. So on a lot of the dipsticks are different. So this is the dipstick on my 03 Cobra. So you have a minimum and a maximum. And I have mine roughly 3/4 of the way up. Now I put in whatever the manufacturer recommends for how much oil goes in, so you have to check that. But basically, I like to be 3/4, or at least in some cars, there's minimum, maximum, and there's a safe zone. So you want to make sure that oil is on in that safe zone area. And I'll see if I can go get a dipstick that has that for you guys. So here is the dipstick for my Jeep. There's a hole here and here, and then this is the safe zone. And you just want to make sure it's in that safe zone. And a lot of times you can't read it on here. Sometimes the back side is a very clear indicator on where exactly it is. So I'm right in the add line is here, then the fill line's here, and I'm right at like 3/4. So yeah, that's pretty much all you need to do to check the oil level in your car. I would recommend checking your oil. I mean, if you can check your oil every fill up, I would do that. That's what I do, just to make sure that, my engine has enough oil in it. And, some cars burn oil. So if you got a car that burns oil, definitely check it more often. That way you're, keeping up on your oil capacity. So yeah, but anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed this short, simple video. A lot of my viewers are new to cars, so I kind of wanted to just do some simple things that a lot of you guys already know, but some people just haven't learned yet, so I figured I'd make this nice, easy video. Anyway, guys, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. If you didn't, a thumbs down. Definitely consider subscribing. That helps me out a lot, guys, and I will see you guys in the next video.